Punta Pite is located between Zapallar and Papudo, about 150 kilometers north of Santiago, Chile. The site, as its name indicates, is a rocky point that juts into the sea. A large podium that allows for inhabiting and highlighting the force of the landscape, nature, the ocean view, and the sunsets. This overlap also reduces the presence of the house in the landscape. When you are in the upper floor pavilion, the rest of the house disappears. The lower volume, which contains the bedrooms, is excavated into the terrain and seeks to blend in with the surroundings. A visible concrete podium, dyed with black pigments and resolved with unbrushed board formwork. The pavilion that rests on top of the volume of the bedrooms contains the public spaces and is completely transparent. It is defined as a large shadow, a concrete slab supported by 21 steel columns. The three public programs of this level, living, dining, kitchen, are located on each of the three sides of the amoeba and are resolved as three recessed circles. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.